Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how you can remove the keyboard from your iPhone. So first thing you have to do here is just go up in your settings, and the setting you just need to scroll all the way down until you got this general. Just tap it and then scroll down again until you got a keyboard options. Tap into the keyboard. The next thing you need to do is just tap into this keyboard option on the first rows, and then that could be a collection of the keyboard that you have on your phone. And if you want to delete one of them or remove one of them, just tap into edit and click this button to remove it. Click delete and confirm that you want to delete it. So now you already removed the some of the keyboard, and then you just need to tap done. The next is you just need to go back into your documents, and you only have one or selected keyboard on your phone. That's for this tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.